पिबरे रामरसम् पिबरे रामरसम् रसने पिबरे रामरसम्.
Today is Hanuman Jayanti, and Hanuman is known as Sollin Selvan in Tamil and Navavyakarana Pandita in Sanskritam. This credit of being a Vyakarana Pandita is given to him by none less than Sri Rama himself. When Hanuman meets Sri Rama in Rishyamukha as Sugriva's messenger, Sri Rama is so much impressed by his speech that he says, Nunam Vyakaranam Kritsnam Anena Bahudha Shrutam Bahuvyaharathanena Na Kinchid Apashabditam. Even though he spoke a lot, not a single word was out of place. So, it is but fit that we who are trying to learn Sanskritam start our learning on this auspicious day through Sundarakandam. This is a novel experiment which I am trying out in order to reach people in 2 or 3 different ways. One is reading of the shlokas, how to read them, traditional way without splitting, and the other in the way the Gita chanting is now done today. Then this next level is where I give the meaning, word to word meaning, and only the Sandhichedam. Because Sandhichedam can be done not through learning the rules alone, but by trying to apply one to another context. Your knowledge of one Sandhi, you apply to another place and try to arrive at the answer. You might make mistakes, but you will be able to do it. And another thing is, there will be a repetitive vocabulary, and so the vocabulary also will be repeated. What I am planning now is, with God's grace, I will be uploading about 3 or 4 shlokas per day with the reading. That will be one section, just the reading alone. In that itself, there will be 2 sections. One will be without splitting, and another in the Gita chanting way. Then the second section will be where the Sandhichedam will be given, and also the word-to-word meaning, and also the Anvaya will be given. Then the third section will be vocabulary, the glossary picked up from the shlokas which had been covered that day. I am not going into any pratyaya or samasa or anything else now, because first the vocabulary has to be built, and I am planning to do simultaneously in Sanskrit and English. Let me see how it works out. Anjaneya's blessings and Guru's blessings are there. I will be able to accomplish it. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Jai Shri Ram.